This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Toronto's going up to 30 centimeters of snow. It's good because of the Great Lakes, because the Great Lakes are very warm and the cold air is very cold. And the air is very cold up in Toronto, Ontario, and the Lake Ontario is very warm. That means Toronto's going up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in Toronto. Supposed to be a lot of snow and very strong winds to hit Toronto. Supposed to be a lot of snow, drifting snow, blowing snow in Toronto. Supposed to be a white out conditions. Reduced visibility near zero. It's going to hit Toronto, Ontario. People in Toronto, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and skirts and ski pants is ready. Because there's going to be a lot of snow and very strong winds in Toronto, Ontario. People in Toronto have to be prepared. It's going to be a slushy, and once it's changed over to freezing rain and ice pellets and sleet and rain, that means the snow is going to become slushy and supposed to be a floodwaters mixed with snow in Toronto, Ontario. It's going to be a lot of snow and slush in Toronto, Ontario. Roads will be covered in snow and side streets definitely will be covered in snow in Toronto. People in Toronto, be prepared. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of pop. Because it's going to be a powerful snowstorm to hit Toronto, Ontario. Because the air is very cold. When the very cold air meets Lake Ontario, when the lake is very warm, that causes snow squalls in Toronto, Ontario. Because of the Arctic high pressure is centered over to central Canada. That means it's going to bring a lot of snow in Toronto, Ontario. On Wednesday, February 27th, 2013. Major snowstorm is going to hit Toronto, Ontario on Wednesday, February 27th, 2013. Lots of high winds, drifting snow, blowing snow, and all the whiteout conditions. People in Toronto, be prepared. Have your shovels ready, have your snow plows ready, have your snow scoops ready. Have your all kinds of snow gear ready. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your tablets charged, have your cell phones charged, have your iPhones charged, just in case the power goes out. For people in Toronto, do your grocery shopping right now. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Because the storm is going to be very powerful in Toronto, Ontario. On Wednesday, February 27th, 2013. Supposed to be a very strong winds and heavy snow. It's going to hit Toronto, Ontario. It's even going to hit Markham, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Barrie, Ontario, Hamilton, Ontario, St. Catharines, Ontario, and Niagara Falls, Ontario, and even in Buffalo, New York. Because it's going to be a big snowstorm in Toronto, Ontario on Wednesday, February 27th, 2013. Best luck to ya. People in Toronto, be prepared for a major snowstorm. Have your extra batteries ready, have your candles ready, have your crank up radio ready. Take care and stay safe and good luck. Be very careful out there for people in Toronto. Be safe.